Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick stepping stone out of mortar. You're going to need some gloves, and if you don't want to mix it by hand, a drill with a paint mixer, along with a pail, a scoop, and some sort of stick. I'm using a paint stick. I like to make products with mortar as there's not really heavy rocks in it. You can use concrete if you like. This is type S mortar. So just to get started, I throw some mortar into a pail, just adding enough for my stepping stone. And then you want to add water and mix it well. If you add too much water and it's a little too liquidy, just add more mortar. And once it's all mixed, the container I'm using is from the grocery store. You can find these with fresh veggies. This is just a plastic top lid for when you buy fresh vegetables. I like saving these because they make perfect stepping stones. So here I'm just pouring all the mortar that I just mixed into the stepping stone mold. Once you have all your mortar in, just give your container a good shake, leveling out all the mortar and knocking out all the bubbles that is trapped in the mortar. If you find the bottom still lumpy, you can just use a flat scraper to make it smooth. You can see all the bubbles trying to come to the surface. You want to try to get rid of most of the bubbles that's in your stone. And when you're all done, you want to give it time to dry. So at least give it a good day. Here we are the next day and it's ready to be popped out of the mold. You can reuse this plastic lid a few times to make more stepping stones if you want to make a path or just to paint on the stones. And now that it's out of the mold, you want to give it at least a couple more days to dry out. And there's a quick way to make a stepping stone for your garden, path, or just to even paint on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching.